Anagya Sharma of Maharaja Agrasen Public School, and I'll be telling you my story, The Letter I Never Sent. I don't want to go to school. I had a nightmare that kept me up the whole night. I think I've got a cold, and to top it all, I have the worst headache. I don't want to go to school. My house is at the top of a hill, and the school is at its bottom. You might think that the walk is the worst part, but that is just the beginning. None of my 8th grade friends are in my ninth grade, which means I have no friends this year. PE, art class, and even lunch breaks all alone. I bet everyone thinks I'm a weirdo wearing a mask and not interacting at all. Thud! The teacher enters the room, almost breaking the door. Silence, everyone! It's time for your roll call. Well, this session's about to end soon, so I should be okay. I have been doing pretty good till now. I hope everyone's made partners for the project I informed you about last week, he added. Still, if there's anyone without a partner, please stand up. Here we go again. I sighed, and as I stood up, oh no, it's happening again. No, not right now. They're stares. They're intense, piercing stares. I was hoping it would not happen this year. There is no stopping it. Ah! Someone screamed. She fainted! Take her to the medical room. Are you okay? The room was filled with chaos. No doubt, they definitely think of me as a weirdo. I don't remember when it started, but it has not been long. It's like I have some sort of sickness. No words, just stares. Is she okay now? Some students were whispering. I heard footsteps approaching me. I looked up, and it was Anna, my fellow classmate. The teacher has paired us for the project since we are the only ones without a partner. We have to write a letter to each other about what we enjoy doing and submit it to the teacher. She dictated and left. Wait, aren't we gonna discuss the project? During the lunch break, I finally collected the courage to ask her about the project. Hey, when should we discuss the project? What's there to discuss? Well, since we'll be writing a letter to each other, so shouldn't we know a little about each other? Ugh, such a lame excuse. But I really want to come out of my comfort zone and make friends. There's no way she's gonna agree. Okay. Okay. Let's meet after school? No, I cannot meet after school. Let's discuss all the things within the school timings. Okay, cool. I didn't question her why, and soon we started discussing the project during lunch breaks. I came to know a few things about her. She's new to the school, has no friends, and is not good at writing. Well, that's a good thing. We'll be getting grades according to our own letters. Why did you faint in class today? Why is she asking me this now? Does she think I'm weird? If you don't want to answer that, how are you now? I don't know how to answer that. Should I say I'm fine? Or should I say I don't know? Or should I just tell the truth? Well, if you won't tell me anything about you, how am I supposed to write the letter? After a minute's silence, I finally spoke. Thank you for asking me. I honestly don't know how I feel. If I say I'm fine, that would be a lie. If I say I'm not, that won't be true either. And why did you faint today? Are you sick? There is this feeling I have these days. It's like something is swallowing me against my will, and that grip is unbreakable. It's not like I understand how you feel, but it must be hard being controlled by something. I don't know why, but I had a feeling that she will understand me, no matter how bizarre my story might be. I am thankful for your efforts to understand me. We started exchanging a few letters just to get to know each other better, and by now 5 letters. The first five letters were just me telling Anna about the school's whereabouts and the students in our school. I even told her about the canteen food. I bet she'll be hungry every time she reads that letter. Over the next couple of days, we started spending the break together. Hey, wanna go somewhere cool for lunch? Anna asked me. Do you even know any nice place to have lunch in this school? Trust me, it's really good. Wanna come? Sure. Anna blindfolded me and asked me to follow her. You sure it's safe here? I asked in a worried tone. Ta-da! Here we are, she said, breathing heavily. Wow, this place is sublime. See? I told you. So, why are we here today? Have you ever heard of wabi sabi? She said after taking a deep breath. No. Imperfect, impermanent, and incomplete. It is a worldview centered on the acceptance of transience and imperfection. You know, I wished I could get a fresh new start, a fresh new page of a fresh new notebook, and write the first page of my life as beautifully as I ever could. But what's the point of wanting to write the first page so beautifully when there would be cuts and marks everywhere in the following pages? I should enjoy those too, right? So now I've realized maybe I don't need a new book, a new page, or a new pen. All I need is a new healthy mindset, and before anything else, be able to accept and appreciate myself. Anna's words made me realize that I always thought about what others think of me, not what I think of myself. I read your letters, and there was an eminent feeling in all of them. What will she think of me when she reads this? I wish she would stop worrying about what others think of you and just be you. Anna added. I could not deny any of that. It was like she could see right through me. Well, now let's not ruin the fun and enjoy this amazing place. From that day, Anna encouraged me to talk to others and make friends. But I didn't need anyone else. I had Anna, my dear friend. Still, I did as she said, as long as she was happy. After a few days, I started blending in my class. We submitted our letters to the teacher. She refused to let me see what she wrote. Well, that was quite a scene. Anna and I decided to go to the amusement park on the weekend, which was a day after our pre finals were over. It was going to be the first time we'd meet outside the school. I guess we really are close friends now. The excitement kept me awake the whole night. We decided to meet at the park in front of the school. I waited and waited, but she didn't show up. Is she sick? I hope nothing happened. Anna didn't show up to school for the next couple of days. I got worried, but I was not aware of where she lived. I just kept hoping nothing bad had happened. Now, great work, everyone. Kindly clap for yourself for the hard work you've done. I can see you guys have spent quality time with each other through your letters. Come and collect them when I say your name, the teacher said, appreciating the students. Lily, Lily, Lily! The teacher shouted my name. Yes, sir. Here, take Anna's too, since she won't be able to come to school due to some health problems. Go and give it to her. Health problems? Oh no, what happened? She was fine all this time. When the bell rang, I asked the teacher for her address and went to look for her after school. When I reached the given address, I was told that she was admitted to a renowned hospital. Without thinking twice, I went to the hospital. Her aunt guided me to her ward number. She looked so fragile. With so many breathing supporters, it was difficult to watch. Her heart rate was rapid. I barely managed to speak. What, what happened to her? She suffers from diaphragmatic hernia. What's that? It is a birth defect where there is a hole in the diaphragm. Lily? Anna muttered. I looked at her, and the water from my eyes broke the barrier that I had held up for so long. The tears would not stop falling. I quickly ran to sit next to her, and she just smiled. We held each other's hand for some time. It's okay, you got this, I said, whispering it in her ears. I really wanted to hear this, she replied in a weak voice. We both chuckled, and soon it was time for her surgery. I wished her good luck. I stood there beside her family while she was going in for the surgery. Everyone lost their balance and started bawling their hearts out as soon as she went in. We waited hours and hours outside. I glanced at the paper beside me, the letter she wrote. I picked it up gently and wiped my tears. I opened the envelope and saw the letter. It was beautifully decorated. Was it done so neatly because it was a project? Or she knew I'd read it? I opened it up. I could hear her voice while reading it. The letter did not have extravagant words. It was not exaggerated. It was simple, yet filled with emotions. I read it again and again. My tears rolled down my cheeks with no end to them. Dear Lily, we just became friends, but my life has been brighter since I met you. I laugh more, I smile more, and most importantly, I am me around you. So please, stop being so hard on yourself. Look around yourself. No one hates you, and even if they do, who cares? You'll meet a lot of people, but they don't define who you are and what you are. And someday, you'll meet someone who will help you be the better you. I hate to say goodbye like this. I hate to part ways this way. I'm not sure if I'll be able to come back. I couldn't bring myself to say this to you in person. I'll miss you. I'll miss you a lot more than anyone can ever imagine. So please know that I'm grateful to you for being my best friend. I hope you'll cherish this letter, the letter I never sent. Yours truly, Anna.